Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall or remove Autoruns from your Windows computer step by step. Because Autoruns is a portable Microsoft Sysinternals application, it doesn't install like most traditional Windows programs. That means removing it is simple and only takes a few moments. So let's get started. First, make sure Autoruns is completely closed. If it's still running, exit the application and open Task Manager to confirm there are no Autoruns processes running in the background. If necessary, select the process and click End Task. Next, locate the folder where you extracted the Autoruns files after downloading the zip archive from the official Microsoft Sysinternals website. Since Autoruns runs directly from this folder, there isn't a built-in uninstaller or an entry in the installed apps list. Now simply delete the entire Autoruns folder along with all of its files. If you created desktop shortcuts, start menu shortcuts, or taskbar shortcuts for Autoruns, you can remove those as well. This completely removes the portable application from your computer. If you've exported Autoruns reports or saved snapshots that you no longer need, you can delete those separately to free up disk space. Otherwise, keep them if you may need them for future troubleshooting or reference. Finally, empty the recycle bin if you want to permanently remove the deleted files from your computer and recover the storage space. And that's it. You now know how to uninstall or remove Autoruns from your Windows PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.